Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of technology and its impact on our lives. In this video, we will discuss how humans and AI will coexist in the future world. As technology advances, it's important to understand the relationship between humans and machines, and how we can work together to create a better future. In today's world, we already see humans and AI working together in various industries, such as manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and transportation. While some may see AI as a threat to human jobs, others view it as an opportunity to create more efficient and safer work environments. In the future, we will see more AI-powered vehicles on our roads, which will revolutionize the transportation industry. Self-driving cars and trucks will reduce accidents and traffic congestion, while also providing a more convenient and accessible mode of transportation for people who cannot drive or do not own a vehicle. AI will also play a significant role in assisting people with disabilities. Robots equipped with AI technology can help disabled individuals with their daily tasks, such as cooking, cleaning, and even driving. This will allow them to live more independently and improve their overall quality of life. AI will also transform the healthcare industry, with more advanced medical equipment that can diagnose and treat patients more accurately and efficiently. AI-powered robots can also perform surgeries with greater precision, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. AI will also revolutionize education by providing more personalized and interactive learning experiences. Intelligent tutoring systems can adapt to a student's individual learning style, providing them with the resources they need to succeed. Virtual reality technology can also create immersive learning environments, allowing students to explore and interact with different concepts and ideas. For example, let's look at how the much-hyped ChatGPT can benefit humans. First, as a language model, ChatGPT can provide instant responses to queries related to various domains, including science, technology, history, and culture. This can help individuals seeking information or clarification on a particular topic to quickly and easily obtain the necessary information. Second, ChatGPT can assist in language learning by providing instant translations or explanations for complex grammar rules. This can be particularly useful for individuals learning a new language or struggling with a particular aspect of grammar. Third, ChatGPT can also serve as a tool for creativity and inspiration. By generating creative writing prompts or providing insights into a particular topic, ChatGPT can help individuals overcome writer's block or explore new ideas. Overall, ChatGPT's ability to provide quick and accurate responses to a wide range of queries, assist in language learning, and inspire creativity make it a valuable resource for individuals across a variety of domains. In conclusion, the future world will see humans and AI working together to create a better future. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, it's essential to consider the relationship between humans and machines and find ways to use technology to benefit humanity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.